Thank you ऋषिराज for delivering amazing talk. I wanted to ask सबसे पहले तो कि कल रात को खाते खाते तू लैपटॉप पे क्या काम कर रहा था?
First of all, Mehul, thank you for organizing such an amazing event. देखो, thing is, I'm an engineer.
Okay.
And engineer का कोई holiday नहीं होता. Someone who loves coding codes always. So I code passionately and आप लोग डिले भी किए थे आने में तो बैठ के कोड कर रहा
नहीं नहीं, मैं 9 बजे का टाइम था, मैं 9 में 5 में आ गया था, आप जल्दी पहुंच गए थे. फॉर आवर ऑडियंस. सो tell me what is the one thing, since you attended so many meetups and conferences even organized as well and part of teams, right? So what is the one thing you liked about GDG Cloud Gandhinagar as this community day which you attended today, and how it is different from the other conference that you have already attended?
Yes, so the one thing that I loved really about this conference was that the people were really interested in the topics. My session was the last session in the queue. I expected there to be boredom, people to not have that energy to listen attentively. But to my surprise, even the last row people were attending, and I did not face any kind of chit chat among the audience, even from the last row. So I really liked the audience. Also, the enthusiasm of the volunteers really amazed me. From the very starting of the event to the last, they accompanied me to all the places across the hall, finding way out, and so I really love the enthusiasm of the volunteers because at the end of the day, I believe they are the ones making the event successful.
Yes. Each team, as I said over the result, each team who are there, here, and surround us, they are equally responsible. Even you guys as well, like all the speakers. And sorry, I followed too much, right? But that's necessary. Otherwise, I would have not. But because ultimately, it's a kind of a collaboration between you, and together only we can pull this off.
Yep.
It is not even I cannot do it alone, right?
Yep.
And the reason we put your talk at last because we thought that you will entertain audience,
Right.
you will perform, but I don't know what you perform. I'll see in the video.
फीडबैक फॉर्म अच्छे से फीडबैक देना.
हाँ, फीडबैक फॉर्म रोल आउट करेंगे. और इज देयर एनीथिंग दैट यू थिंक वी शुड इम्प्रूव?
The event was really nice and the professional participation was good as well. Improvement, if I had to say,
कोई लगता है तो ही तो फिर सोचने में अपने को 10 मिनट चाहिए, दे सकते हैं आपको.
वैसे कुछ खास improvement I cannot think of right now. It was really a good event, I would say.
अच्छा.
अगर प्रोफेशनल्स को encourage किया जाए to come up with more questions,
Right.
That would be a good feedback, I think, for this event, because you are having so many professionals and impacting them would be a greater good for Google Cloud as well and for the community as well.
राइट. एंड लास्ट क्वेश्चन कि नेक्स्ट टाइम आओगे तो रसगुल्ला लेके आओगे?
बिल्कुल, रसगुल्ला नहीं, रसगुल्ला टू स्वीट होता है. मलाई चमचम लाएंगे.
हाँ, तो मलाई चमचम भूलना नहीं है ना, तो मैं याद दिलाऊंगा.
बिल्कुल,
है ना?
कोलकाता से लाएंगे.
कोलकाता से लाइए.
बिल्कुल.
और अगर कोलकाता से नहीं आया तो जिधर भी नेक्स्ट टाइम मिलेंगे ना, ICA से किधर भी भूलिएगा नहीं है. पर यार, थैंक्स भाई, थैंक्स
you.
फॉर कमिंग,
Thank
रियली
you.
वी अप्रिशिएट अ लॉट.